is Alexander, and this is my Python 3 presentation. This project was inspired by tower defense games like Roblox and like other tower defense like app games.
What is tower?
It's like where like you like place towers to like try to stop like something to like reach your like base. What did I use for my project? During class I learned about like using classes and tagging, which I used in my project. In classes I use like classes to like organize my code and efficiently use Python. And in like with Python I use Python to like make buttons and graphics in order to visualize the game. In the game, like if you press this button, it will start the round and spawn a bunch of zombies from the top of corner. And then you can place a zombie, no, not a zombie, like you place a tower, like that. And then when you click, it will shoot an arrow.
What is the tower trying to do?
Kill the zombies. If the arrow hits the zombie, it kills the zombie. So I'll place like 2 towers there. I'll start it. And the zombie will like come out like on time, and then if you kill one, you get like 50 score. You can spawn like more zombies, like starting like more of the round. And also killing a zombie will give like you like some amount of money, which you can use to buy more towers with.